Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Jeffrey Penner with Blooming Namu Technology Consulting. Today we're going to talk about building a website and the 4 things to consider before you do so. The first one being the website design. The second is the domain, www. etc. The third is your business email, and the fourth is where to host your website. First off, with website design, you should consider what type of industry is your business in. Is it a restaurant industry? Is it painting houses? Is it in manufacturing or retail? Whatever industry your business is in, your website should follow suit with a theme that makes sense and lets visitors know as soon as they jump into it what to expect from your business. For example, with a restaurant, you'd probably expect to see a lot of pictures of food and different menu items. So detail out and theme your website to your business. The second is domain. This is www.yourbusiness.com or .ca, .net, .org, etc. The domain is important because it establishes your business's independence and it allows visitors to find you online a lot more easily when you have that domain set up. And the other perk is that once you set up an email, you'll typically set it up as, for example, johndoe@yourbusiness.com. So having that domain set up there will allow your email to make sense. Otherwise, you could go johndoe@gmail.com, but it might not look as professional. To transition from there, we'll talk about email. It's important to have your domain set up for this, and depending on which platform you go with, will essentially determine which tools you'll be working with your email. So for example, if you buy an email with Microsoft, well, you'll get the Outlook platform instead of tools to work with. If you buy it with another provider such as Zoho, or there's many other providers that can do this, you're going to work with their platform, and that's essentially the big perk of it. As well, once you start expanding your team along, you'll want everybody on the same @yourbusiness.com so that when you send emails off to clients, they'll say, hey, I know where this is coming from, and they'll more quickly trust your team and people. Lastly, there's the website hosting. So you've built this beautiful website. Well, how do you get it onto the web? The best way to do that is to work with a business that can host your website for you, or if you built your website with a popular website building platform such as GoDaddy, for example, or Acuity, they will typically build in the website hosting into their fees. If you can find a business to do it for you, you could probably get a cheaper rate, but if you just want to go the easy route and jump in with those other pre-built platforms, go right on ahead, whatever is the easiest to do. And if you're stuck wondering, well, I don't know how to build a website or how to go about it, well, that's where I can help you. At Blooming Namu Technology Consulting, I'd be happy to sit down with you and have a one-on-one chat and figure out what are your needs, because I want you to focus on your business and not the website. So let me take on that heavy lifting. Again, my name is Jeffrey Penner, and if you need a tech guy, you know who to call.